Can I please go in the water now? No, you have to put sunscreen on before you can go out there, okay? Hey, listener, can you put sunscreen on him for me? Hey, can you do it really, really fast? Everyone's in the water and I want to go. Okay. I packed all the sandwiches, juices, and first aid kit if anyone gets hurt. You said Justin was coming, right? I was thinking so. I don't know where Norman's at. He said he was going to get an umbrella because it's super hot out here. And you know, he's pale. Very, very pale. I don't know. I asked Ray if he was gonna come. He just gave me a cold shoulder and he didn't say anything, so I don't really care. After that last night dinner, it was so crazy how he, bursted out at me. It's... I don't know. I don't care. We're having a beach day. We're having fun. Everyone's having fun and we're being safe, and this is what all that matters right now. I am breathing. I'm fine. I just want to make sure you have fun. I don't want you worried about boys or anything like that, okay? Today is you and me.
Well, I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Well, would you speak to that? Hi, Justin.
Hi. Well, don't you two look lovely?
Thank you.
No problem. Y'all sitting out here in the sun. It's hot as hell out here. Y'all ain't got an umbrella or anything?
Norman said he was going to go buy one at one of the cabanas over there, so he should be back in a minute.
Oh, alrighty, I see. Well, I guess I should go get in the water then. I see the little ones out there. Why aren't you two in the water?
Don't want to go in yet. We're just tanning a little bit. Well, I am.
No, alright, well.
Oh, is that Ray?
Oh. I think Ray brought his little girlfriend with him. What's her name again?
I think it's Melissa.
Nope, and there goes Norman.
Hey, you guys.
Hey.
So lovely for you to join us, Ray. Hi, Melissa. Hi. Norman, can you please set up the umbrella? It's really hot.
Sure. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you too. They invited you? Yeah. Listener did. They said they were going to the beach today and they'd like me to come out here, so I did. They invite you? Yeah, they did.
Ray invited me. Sorry if I interrupted anything, you guys. No, not at all, Melissa. You're more than welcome to join us. Promise.
Well, I think it's time for me to go get in the water. Can you hold this for me? Thank you.
Ooh, boy. Wow. Sorry for staring. Just wasn't expecting all of that under this. Jesus Christ. What's wrong, Ray? Aren't you gonna go get in the water?
Yeah.
Then hop right along.
I will.
You're getting in the ocean with your shirt on.
Jesus Christ. Here, Norman, hold this. Ew, why you hand me your nasty ass shirt?
I love messing with him. You guys must be really feisty siblings. I guess you could say that. Guess I'm gonna go get in the water now. Yeah, of course. You see how he's acting? Literally, I asked him. I was like, do you want to come to the beach with us later today? He said no. He shows up later with Melissa? Are you serious? He's playing. He's playing with us. No, he's playing with us. This is crazy. He's so childish. But okay. That's how he wants to play? I'll play his dumb game. It's okay, listener. I'll make him mad for you. You remember what I said over there? How I said I was gonna make him mad for you? Oh my god, you guys! Listener's drowning! Somebody help!
Huh? What? Don't worry, I'm coming.
He's coming to save you. Act like you're drowning or something.
Are you okay? Come on, here. Come here. Come here. I got you. Come on.
Oh my god, listener, are you okay?
Hey, you alright? Hey, open your eyes. Look at me. How many fingers am I holding up? Okay. Close one eye. How many fingers am I holding up? Okay. This one? Okay, you seem like everything alright. What happened? Why'd you just start flaring in the water? Jesus. Come on, you gotta be more careful than that, sweet. The seaweed's not gonna hurt you. Promise. And if it does, I'll beat it up for you. Here. Sit here and drink some water. It seemed like you cut your ankle a little bit. I'm gonna go run and grab the first aid kit and get you all tied up, okay? Okay, you stay right here. Whew. What did he say? Oh my gosh.
Aren't I just the best sister ever?
Are you okay?
They're fine, Ray. You're kinda late.
Shut up, Emma. What happened? Your ankle okay? Because you look like such an idiot in the water, I didn't want to look so dumb being here with you. People are worried around us. You made a big scene for no reason.
No, they didn't. They were drowning.
No, they weren't. I was watching you guys the entire time.
And why were you watching us when you were supposed to be with Melissa? Ooh. Cat got your tongue?
Going back to Melissa.
Yeah, you go do that.
Oh my gosh. He's so mad.
That is so funny.
I'm back. Let me see your ankle, please. I'll be gentle. Promise.
Yeah, make sure you're gentle with them, Justin. Don't want to hurt them. I'm gonna go get back in the water. I gotta watch the kids. I'll leave you two alone.
You weren't really drowning, were you? I know what you're doing. It's not oblivious to me. You and Ray are more than what you say you are. No. Don't apologize. I completely understand. You two look at each other a different way, and the way he just ran over here and checked on you. That boy loves you. And you're an amazing person. I can say it myself. I know you, and I couldn't say I do like you a lot. But I know your heart is not in the same place as mine's. So I won't even put that on you. But you and Ray got something going on. I'm not mad and I'm not jealous or anything. If anything, I want the best for anyone in this world. And if it's you, I wish it for you too. Never mind. Everyone's tired and ready to go home. Well, I'll be heading home now. It was very lovely of you guys to invite me out today. But I gotta get back home to my family. Of course. See you around, Justin. See you around. Ooh. So what you guys talk about? What? What do you mean he knows? It's fine. Everything's okay. What? You want to be with Ray? Well, if anything, you shouldn't be telling me if you want to be with him. You should be telling him. Do you want me to take you back home?
I mean, it'd be nice if you walked me, but you don't have to.
I mean, I wouldn't want you walking home alone, of course. But as long as I can hold your hand, I'll walk you home.
You can take me on a date first.
I already did.
I asked you on the date.
Alrighty. Well, we can count this as the date as well if you want to.
This doesn't really count as a date. It wasn't just me and you. And it's not me and you right now.
Huh? Wait, listen. Stay right here. I'm gonna go check on them.
Yeah, of course.
Listener. What's wrong? Why'd you run away? No. What was it? Did you have to tell me something? Wait. Shit.
Listener. I didn't really get to talk to you on the way back home. So what happened? What happened?